About Space, and today I'm bringing to you a brand new video about self-watering pots. As you can see, I'm in my garden surrounded by my plants. I absolutely love my plants. I'll show you around. So self-watering pots do best with tropical plants and plants which require good amount of moisture like pothos and monstera and vegetables, herbs and fruits. So most of the plants in your garden which require good amount of water will do well with self-watering pots. So how does a self-watering pot work? When we do have a self-watering pot, the upper pot holds your plant in place and the bottom pot has a place to water. So when you go for vacations or when you are not around in your house or when you're very busy, all you have to do is water the bottom part and leave the rest to your self-watering pot. What happens is, it's called capillary action, where the cotton wick pulls the amount of water required by your plant and keeps the soil wet. That's it. It's like a drip irrigation system but from the bottom. So it's also called a bottom watering system, where the soil remains moist for your plant and you don't have to water. So this stays good. Very interesting product from aboutspace, which is the mist sprayer, and it produces quite a fine mist, if you know what I mean. This helps me keep the foliage nice and clean, and runs like once in every 4 to 5 days, and based on the temperature, based on the plant type, based on the soil condition and all of those aspects.